Today, I'm going to show you how I turned a broken pocket mist generator into a contactless mist sanitizer machine in just one day. Sounds cool, right? Let's get started. First, let me explain what a pocket mist generator is. It's basically a device that sprays a fine mist of liquid, usually water or sanitizer, to moisturize or disinfect your skin or the surroundings. It's handy and portable, but mine stopped working after a few months of use. So I decided to open it up and see what's inside. To my surprise, I found out that it doesn't use any heating element or pumps to create the mist. Instead, it has a tiny diaphragm that vibrates at a very high frequency, around 100 kHz, and breaks the liquid into tiny droplets that forms the mist. I wanted to control this diaphragm using my Arduino Uno, but I couldn't generate such a high frequency with it. So I had to use the original circuit board of the device, which has a button to turn it on and off. So I removed the button and the battery and soldered some wires on it to connect it with the Arduino. Then I made a custom shield using some prototype boards and some pin headers to mount everything on top of my Arduino. The next step was to add an ultrasonic sensor, which can measure the distance of an object in front of it using sound waves. Sayanti wrote the code for me while I connected it with the Arduino. When the code was ready, it triggered the mist generator whenever something comes close to it, like a hand or a face. This way I can use it as a contactless sanitizer machine that sprays me with mist when I need it. And that's it. I tested it and it worked like a charm. It's fun, easy and useful, and I did it all in one day, just before my exams. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new.